Hey guys, Catherine here. I am coming to you today to show you how I am going to work out the making of a sleeve for my chopsticks. I have got a couple of new pairs of chopsticks and I want to keep them actually together. These ones in fact have this lovely rose right on the top here. But I want to keep them together because there is nothing worse than having friends over and, wanting to be fancy and not being able to find two of the same type of chopsticks. So I want to make a sleeve to keep the chopsticks in. And I've got this bit of origami paper. And it is, let's see, it is square and it is just an 1/8 of an inch shy of being 6 inches square. So I'm going to take and make it into a sleeve to hold these chopsticks. And the idea I have is that it will have a triangle at the top and then fold up at the bottom. So I want to do it at a side angle like that. For that, I will use my little angle finder here and then line it up there and then decide how wide I want it. I don't think I need it a full inch wide. So I think what I'm going to do is go, let's see, 1/8 to 8. That might be too narrow though. There we go. So I'll do a angle on it there, and then I'll flip it around and do the exact same one the other way, the other side. Is that going to be wide enough? Might want to step it up to 1 inch. We will see. I'll try it this way and see how it goes for now. So let's see if I've got it there. Then I want to put another one at the 5 and then flip it around again and do the same thing for this side. Line it up, put that at the 5, and then I'm going to grab my cutter, my slide cutter, and line this up on the angle so that I'm cutting just on those marks that I made at the 5-inch line. Cut that off and line it up again to cut that triangle off as well, so that gives me with this sort of shape. Then I'm going to decide which side I want to the outside, and I think I want it to be red on the outside, so I'll turn it over so that this is the inside and fold this up. There we go. And then these over on the seams if I can, or on the scored marks if I can manage it, so that it gives me this sort of squarish piece. And then before I tape this all down, I'm just going to try sliding my chopsticks in. Ooh, and that totally works, but I'm going to have to tape the bottom down because it isn't taped down now and they're coming out the bottom. But that is the right size. The chopsticks will be able to fit in there. Okay, so tape everything down. Go. Take this bit of tape and set it right there, and then fold this over, and then take another small-ish bit of tape and set it right there, and then let's see here. Is that going to be too wide? It is. I'll cut this in half lengthwise, because that'll give me 2 pieces, and then the overlap won't be sticking itself down. And put that up toward the top, and put that one sort of in the middle, and then fold this side back over and stick it to those pieces of tape, and then try putting the chopsticks back in again. There we go, and then they don't come out the bottom that time because it's stuck down closed, but they are held fast. Nice. And then I can put those back in my drawer and they will stay together in there so I don't lose them. I really like practical crafts like this, but I also really do like working with paper. If you guys liked this as well, definitely let me know. I would be glad to hear from you and hear what you think of this project. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!